Hey you guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy eyeshadow look. At the end of the video, I'm going to share some techniques to amp up the look if you wish, and I hope you like it. I'm going to be using the Sephora Colorful Shadow Stick in Khaki. I like that it blends out really easily, but it does set very quickly and won't move after it's set. When choosing a blending brush, you don't want anything that's too dense as it's going to make the eyeshadow blend patchy. You also don't want anything that's too sparse as you're not going to be able to blend the product quickly enough before it sets. So I'm going to choose the middle option, which is a medium density blending brush, and I think this works well for this product. Take your eyeliner and run it along your upper lash line, being sure to get in between your lashes as well, and then blend it out with your finger. We're doing this to ensure that the mascara color we're using blends seamlessly with our eyeshadow. If you're going to use brown mascara, you can use a brown liner for this step. Next, we're going to take some of the eyeshadow on a small detail brush and start pressing it onto the inner third of our eyelid and along the lower lash line. I prefer to do these areas with a brush as I find that the blending can get quite messy, and the idea with this look is to make it as easy and do it as quickly as possible. And because this look is supposed to be done quickly and easily, I'm going to keep the shadow quite close to the base of my lower lash line. This is because I sometimes have issues blending farther down. I have a little bit of a dip in my eye bag right here that kind of makes the eyeshadow wobbly, especially with cream shadows. So this is my preference for this look. If you want to drag your eyeshadow out a little bit lower on the lower lash line, you can. And then I'm just going to drag the eyeshadow up in the outer third of my crease so I know where to stop the cream shadow. Next, you're going to apply the shadow directly to your eyelid, stopping right at the crease. You can always add it farther up if you wish. I just like to stop here and blend and reapply as needed. Now I'm going to take my blending brush and start at the outer corner to avoid any messiness in the blend, and I'm going to start dragging in towards the inner corner of my eye. And once I have some shadow on that brush, I can start using a windshield wiper motion to sort of blend that all out. If you find the shadows moving around more than you'd like it to, you can start tapping it out or dragging it upwards for more control. Now I'm just reapplying where I want to deepen the color, so for me that's all over my lid at this point. And then I'm going to blend out and reapply as I see fit until I'm happy with the way it looks. This bit is personal preference. It all depends on your eye shape and how blown out you like your eyeshadow to look. I have quite a lot of space between my crease and my brow, and I like a blown out eyeshadow look, so I'm taking this color quite high up, but you don't have to do this if it's not your preference. Here I'm just taking my concealer brush and whatever's left on the brush to clean up the outer corner of my eye. If the blending got a little crazy, this is a good way to fix it. Next I'm going to go in with the Max Stack mascara. I personally really like this mascara because it's buildable and I really can't feel it on my eyelashes. For those of us that like a more cat eye shape, you can add more to the outer third of your lashes and pull out sideways. Alright, so this is our eyeshadow look so far. It's really simple and easy to do, especially if you're used to working with cream products. But if you'd like to take the look even further, you can go in with a lighter shadow or a shimmer on the center of the lid. I've just taken a NYX shadow on my finger and I've started to press in the center of my lid and then patting the excess product outwards and upwards. This is just to mimic the natural reflection of light on your eyelid. Something else that I like to add is just a white or shimmer shade on my waterline. I really like this to help open up the eye and make everything look brighter, so here's the difference between the two. Another thing I like to do is add a medium brown shadow to the crease and my lower lash line. I like to pull this color out towards the tail of my brow and up a little bit higher on my crease. This again is personal preference. What I'm doing here isn't necessarily balancing out my face or my eye shape, but it is just how I like to wear my eyeshadow, so that's how I'm going to do it. And I didn't really like how that crease shade was cutting off the lighter shade in the middle, so I'm just adding a little bit of it back in. This time I'm really pulling it up towards the brow bone. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. I'd love to know if you tried it. Let me know what you think. And thanks so much for watching the video. Bye!